All right, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the massage gun on our hamstrings and glutes. In this particular case, I'm using the C2 massage gun by Bob and Brad. And you're going to turn on that massage gun. You're going to get it on your posterior. Get it into the meaty part. Make little circles with it, or go up and down on that meaty tissue. Just light and brisk. Get it in there. Then once you're done, move into the hamstring. Get it on the back of your thigh, going up and down on the muscle. When you've got that enough, if you want to get the tendons of the hamstring, you get it just above the knee. Then you flex and extend the knee. Get it onto the inner thigh. Flex and extend on the other side, and then you move on to the other side. So now, start on the glute. Get in the glute, get the meaty part, avoid the tailbone and the hole. You're not playing golf. Then you'll move down into the hamstring. Get the hamstrings by going up and down the area, light and brisk, going from outer thigh to inner thigh. And then when you want to get the tendons, get it above the knee, stabilize yourself, and just flex and extend, and then get the inner thigh part, same thing. Hold it there, nice and still. Flex and extend. And then once you've done that, you'll have just used the massage gun on the hamstrings and your glutes.